Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the new KVD Beauty Mystery Box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so this box just arrived. This is the new KVD Beauty Mystery Box. I've gotten quite a few of them so far, and I really like that even this one, it says the same thing, that if you've gotten mystery boxes before, there's not going to be repeated items. And I think that's really neat, but it says that it's going to have all products that are 4 stars or higher rated from their site as well. So this box right here, I paid $65 and it has a value of $172. And again, no repeats, which I love. So when you open up the box, right on the top is the extras, because when I placed my order, you can add 2 extras to the order. So I added a makeup bag and then a little like compact mirror, and I'll show you those in a second. And then down inside here is all of the contents of the mystery bag, which I haven't peeked down there. So let's go ahead and, is it all in one bag? Yes. So everything is all down inside of one bag. So this is everything that is for the mystery. So let's go ahead and get this opened. Again, I paid $65 plus tax for this, and I believe I got free shipping even. So that's amazing. So then let's go ahead and start with the bag first. This one, this time, they've always been different too, which I think that's really neat. So this one's going to look like, oh, it's even like in black paper, so you can't even see inside of it. Aha, there we go. Look how nice. So it's all black, chic, shiny, and it just has their logo, the KVD on there. And it looks like there's a little bit of red right here. And then the pool has a little paper on it to protect it. And it is the heart, and it says vegan. So that's the pool. And then on the inside, it is all red down inside. So that is a really nice bag for the mystery bag. So there's the bag. Now we have it says Cake Pencil Instantly Rich Eyeliner. And if it's a pencil, then I'm actually gonna use it. And I don't really have any other colors other than black in like the pencil liners. I have a few other colors, but I don't even think I have brown, and I think that's what this is going to be. So that's what it looks like, the packaging. And then it's just, oh, so it's the roll up. So nice. I like that. And it's in the color Cake Pencil Mad Max Brown. So let's get a little swatch. Ooh, it's nice and dark brown, and it's very creamy, and it glides on effortlessly. So I cannot wait to use this. That's one thing, I always used to use brown all the time, like an espresso color, and now all I ever use is black. So I'm actually glad to see a brown. So there's the second item. Now we have, it says Shade Plus Light Glam Rock. Shade Plus Light Eyeshadow Quad. There's the package, and I don't have this. I do not own this product, so that's really cool. And again, I really cannot stress the fact that I love that they're putting different products in each of their mystery bags. So this is a great way to try out KVD's products. I love everything that I've used so far, and you're not gonna have repeats, which is amazing. So there's the actual packaging. And ooh, alrighty. So you have those colors on the inside. Definitely not, I wasn't expecting these to be with this bright blue, but that's actually really pretty. And I like this shade right here. Oh, it's just glitter. Okay, so it's just like a glitter, but that's really neat. So we have this eyeshadow palette. Oh, and there's another one. It's Shade Plus Light New Pop. So it's gonna be the same thing, but just different colors. Same packaging. That's the colors inside of this one. So this is not like a glitter. This is an actual like eyeshadow. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a opalescent kind of color. Ooh, it goes like to a pink, to a pearl, to like almost like a peachish color. Very pretty. I like that. Okay, so there's 2 eyeshadow palettes. So now we have, it says Shake Primer High Impact Eyeshadow Primer. And I haven't tried this. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And it's okay, so it's like a black blob in there. Probably just have to shake it up. It says high impact eyeshadow primer. Shake well. Yes, please. Shake well. It says tip a little goes a long way. So directions for use, it says shake well to mix, remove cap, press button on top of the bottle to dispense 1 drop. Use finger to blend on lids. Let dry a few seconds before applying eyeshadow. So shake it all up and then, oh, and then the button's down there. So then you would just put it on your finger, press the button. Oop, I just dropped some, but it landed on a plastic, so that's good. And then you put that on your skin and let it dry. So there's a little button down there that you push to pop it out. That's neat. I've never seen an eyeshadow primer that looks like that. But it's drying pretty quick. It's almost completely dry on my hand now. I can't wait to try that. That's a neat little container. Okay, so now we have is Studded Kiss. This is a cream lipstick and it's in the color Hexagram. There's the packaging. That's actually a really nice color for the holiday season. I would think like a nice deep red. I normally don't wear deep reds, but it seems like that's what we're kind of getting lately. So I think it's actually pretty neat. Let me place this here. So it's more of like it's like a red. It has like a slight bit of like a burgundy tone to it up close, but that is an actual like red right there. Okay, I'm gonna show you what this is gonna look like on my lips. So if you wanna know what it's gonna look like on these little girls, hold on. It smells good. Look, you see where I started? It smells so good. Okay, there you go. I actually like that color. So it's the same as that. Same as that. What do you think? And I like the packaging. So there's that. Now we have is this guy right here. It says long wear pomade, 24-hour super brow. And it says aubergine, I'm not sure. And it looks like it's purple. So what is this? Waterproof, high pigment, 24-hour wear. Yeah, this is a brow pomade. I have one of these, but in a brown color because my eyebrows are brown, not purple. I don't know who has purple eyebrows to use a purple brow product, unless I'm totally missing something. But yeah, that's a little confusing on why it's purple. This is a brow pomade, 24-hour super brow. Yeah, it's for your brows. I don't want my brows purple, so I definitely won't be wearing that, but there's that. Now we have is a liquid lipstick, and this one's in the color, oh wow, a go-go. And that looks like a deep red as well, or almost like a red, like, I know, we're gonna find out. Yeah, an orange red. There's that in that color. I definitely will not wear either. That's just not my color. So I'm not even going to swatch this one because I know I'm not even really comfortable with the red, but definitely not like an orange, a burnt orange color. I won't use that one. So a go-go would be a no-no for me. And then the last item that is in here, you guys, is Lock-It setting powder. And I've heard so many good things about this and I've never actually tried it. So I'm actually excited that it's in here. So here's the packaging, and I don't even use setting powder, translucent powder. I don't use anything like that, but at least now I can try it. And now I have this full big old thing of it. So there's the packaging, and it's the Lock-It setting powder, translucent. And you would remove that sticker, and it's like in a star shape to get it out, and use a brush and put it on your face. So that is really cool that we get this full size translucent powder. Because again, I don't have any, and because I don't ever use it, but at least now I can have something to play around with when I feel like getting bold and daring and get out of my comfort zone a little bit more, then I have it. So that's awesome. So going over the mystery bag one more time, we have this nice, sleek, shiny bag, makeup bag. We have a full-size locket setting powder. We have a really pretty burgundy reddish color, I'd say burgundy lipstick. We have like a burnt orange liquid lip and a purple eyebrow pomade. We have a eyeshadow primer. You have a brown eyeliner, which I'm actually excited for. And we have 2 eyeshadow palettes. So that is everything that came in here. Now my freebies that I added, again, was a mirror. So it's this guy right here. So it's the seal. I have a big handheld mirror and that's on the back of it. So this is super cute to have in addition. So it's just a little mirror on that side and then it has their logo on that side. So that was free. And then the bag, and it looks like that. And it's really cute. It has this little palm fringe and then there's the inside of it. So this will end up going to one of you guys at some point, but it was free. Free is always good, right? So that is everything, you guys. So definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.